Today's Monday. It's the start of basically week 29 for our little baby here. Bump shot, I guess. Oh, there you go. Okay, so this is what I am doing with my hair right now. These are basically kind of like microlocs. And let's see if I can take this out. No, I'm not going to take it out. This is what the back looks like so far. So when I was researching about dreads and everything, I read that, I wanted to see if I could get just regular locks, because I used to have locks before. But then I didn't like the bulkiness of locks. Like, the longer they get, the harder, like, the more they are. Like, it feels like they're so dense that you can't even tie it in a bun properly without, like, using a, I don't know, a scarf or something like that. So I just wanted something that could easily kind of like be smaller. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll do just regular dreads, but just do them smaller than I did before. But the problem with that was, what was the problem with that? Oh yeah, the problem with that was when I did my sort of like what I liked most about my old dreads and what I liked the least. One of the things I hated about my dreads before in university was that I couldn't do any other hairstyles, like in terms of like, unless if it was like a lock based hairstyle. So I wanted to see if I can get something that would allow me to maybe even cornrow my hair sometimes, or like, I don't know, braid my hair, that sort of thing. And so and wear a wig if I wanted to. So yeah, so that's why I ended up settling for these tiny twists, aka microlocs. Now I don't even know if, like, yeah, I don't know how this is going to work out in terms of a few months from now, but the impetus for me was really because I've been thinking about what hairstyle I'm going to have when I deliver this baby, who, by the way, is doing great. He's right there, getting big AF. And so I've been thinking a lot about like what my hair is going to look like in terms of for the months preceding the delivery, you know what I mean? And even like for the next 2 months, because I'm noticing my energy, my energy is fine, but my like ability to do things is so temperamental. Like, I don't always have the energy or the stamina to do certain things. And the concept of braiding my hair like a few weeks or a week before my delivery is not something that I think is possible. So we're not gonna try. Anyways, and then I was thinking, like, after I give birth, like, what on earth will I do with my hair, right? And so I'm hoping that this is something that I actually end up liking, because then I don't have to think about my hair as much as I currently do when I'm a loose natural. Because my hair is, like, I think having natural hair is really nice, but it does take a lot of work, especially when you're a 4C girl. So I kind of assume I'm not going to have that time. And so I just want to, you know, yeah, I just want to be on top of my hair as much as possible. So yeah, so we're all going to learn about this microlocs thing together. And I'll do my best to kind of track this, because I'm really curious about it. And I think I could actually take them out. I mean, in a few months, if this doesn't work out, I can take them out, because they just twist. So I can probably use conditioner and take them out if I don't interlock. But but yeah, so that is what we're doing. I parted my hair pretty nicely, or at least as best as I could, given that yeah, it's hard to part your hair or section your hair nicely on your own. But I think I will probably need 4 days to complete the look, because it seems at this stage that like each section is taking me about a day. Yeah, something like that. Not a day, a full day of doing it, but like I only have the interest of doing it for a full day. So But yeah, so that is what we're doing, and I will check in later. Yeah, yesterday I was able to do all of the rows except for the front row. I don't know if it's visible in the back. So I have like the bottom. Oops, I can't even show it properly. I have the bottom, and then I have the middle, and then the top. I know it's not that clear, but so today I'm hoping to do the front, and I'm gonna try and show you guys how I'm doing this. So today is Monday. It's the start of another week. It is week 29 of our little baby, who's not that little anymore. Yeah, I'm doing pretty okay right now, but I'm delirious because I didn't sleep. Yeah, like I didn't get any sleep at all. No, I shouldn't say that. I probably got an hour of sleep, so I need to take a nap at some point just now. But I did finish my hair. I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah, so I need to take a nap, but I'm really happy that I finished installing my microlocs. I will do a separate video with that. But I had a whole bunch of things. Like last night when I couldn't sleep, I ended up doing a list of things that I want to get done this week, and I have a lot of things that I need to get done this week, but I doubt that any of it will be done today. It's an accomplishment that I did do my hair, or finish doing my hair, because I didn't think I would finish it in 3 days or whatever it's been. This morning I had my midwife appointment. So my appointments basically work like we have a phone appointment, and on that phone appointment you basically discuss all the stuff, and then a few days later I tend to have the in-person appointment, which is more the physical session where I get to get examined physically and I don't know, pick up stuff or whatever, or do tests and things like that. So it's because of COVID that they're doing it this way, so that we minimize the time that we're in the clinic, which is great. So that appointment went really well. My midwife, I guess I have 2 midwives, and I'll do a separate video about this maybe, but I have 2 midwives, or they assign you with 2 midwives, and I like one of them more than the other for like a whole slew of reasons. The second midwife was not really someone I felt comfortable with. Yeah, it's just a lot. Like there's a lot of stuff that's happened in the last couple of months, and so today I got to finally switch. Like, so apparently they're gonna put me with a different midwife, so that I have the one I like and then somebody else who's new. It's pretty late in the game to be switching or adding a new person to my file, but I'm confident with the primary that I have, and so, you know, the secondary, I can't imagine her doing worse than the other lady. And I try not to get people in trouble for their jobs, but then at the same time, this is my first pregnancy. I'm a Black girl accessing healthcare or giving birth, so yeah, like I have to, like, I'm more nervous about it. If it was my second pregnancy, maybe I'll be a bit more confident to just kind of let someone slack, but yeah, it's my first kid, so, and I don't know what to be asking, so I have to trust my care provider. Anyways, so that's what's happening today, or that's what happened today. I feel very happy that I get a new person. I feel bad that she probably will get, you know, like reprimanded or whatever, but at the same time I did try to resolve it before. Anyways, so that's that. So for the rest of the day, I plan on at this point, I think I just need to take a nap. I had some food. I'm going to take a nap. I don't know where Morgan is or Tap, but I do want to do some plant things today because yeah, I have things to do all the time. Yep, so I still have to take out all these extra plants and replant them in the backyard. So yeah, that's a chore, and I definitely can't do that until I take a nap. So that is what I'm planning to do, and hopefully I have the energy for it. I should go water my plants though at the very least, because like if I don't do that, then it's gonna be too hot and then I won't be able to really water them, or they won't be able to absorb the water properly. So let's do that now. My battery's about to die. Oh, I should wear a hat, it's so hot up there. See, I always keep a little hat by the door. Okay, I want to see if these are establishing. So these are the watermelons I put in. Obviously none of the seeds have sprouted that I put in. I wouldn't expect them to. I think I'm gonna harvest some stuff today, like the spinach and what else? Maybe some mint. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna water the garden or the plants, and once I do that I will go take a nap, because if I don't take a nap I won't be able to accomplish anything else on my to-do list for the day. So that's that. Ooh, look at my hair, I love it. Yeah, the back is definitely bigger. Yeah. Oh well.